We need to get going. How you doing? 1962 Cadillac. This is the first car I restored, redid, whatever. Let's see if it'll fire up, because it's been sitting for a couple months. Need to go to the car show, spray it off at the gas station with some water or something, pick up the father-in-law, go have another good time. Let's see if this starts. There's the keys. Golly. Nope. Got a lifter ticking. She's been sitting. Now, I had to redo the top of these fenders, both sides, behind the headlights, bottom of the fenders, actually bottom of both doors, all the way down. This side was beat up. It had this is a different fender, different doors, big old crease on the quarter panel. This side fared a little bit better. Love the 62 tail lights, the tail fin lights. So he's coming back around. Let's get to the car wash, dust her off real quick, go pick the father-in-law, Mr. Presley, up. See how fast we can get there.
That'd been the plate.
Huh?
I wouldn't have thought about that being the plate.
Yep, that's where it's at. Right around the corner.
really glad she's the only one turned around when I said, "Oh, honey." Woo! I could have got in trouble there.
Some of the newer cars. Just like the movie. I said, just like the movie.
Yeah.
Except his car was green, I think. Yeah, that's what this is. Cornet.
Car that old.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, the front of the alley. I don't know what. I said, if he stays. He was a big old boy. Drunk.
I'd make it into a two-door.
You would.
Yep. That's a patina car, Ed.
What?
I said that's a patina car. That means they're gonna leave it that way.
Means they're going to leave it.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's all right. Everybody to their own.
That's right. Sure can.
See, straight six car. Ain't too bad.
Here you go. Picture of the cop.
There's a cop. T-Bird. Yeah.
got the same color inside mine.
And I like them. I just like the 2s and 3s.
Oh, I had it out there at the body shop. They wasn't going to have it finished. I said, when are you going to work on it again? I said, probably Monday or something. I said, can I have it over the weekend? He said, yeah. Got it down, but they didn't get hit again. Over the weekend.
You took it back to them and told them they did something wrong, didn't you?
Yeah. That guy, the other guy just looked at the other guy and said, come here to me. He got his other body and said, look at that. I said, I hope it's worth it. I said, it wasn't. I don't care much if it's on that for kids.
I like them on certain things.
They can drag it out too long.
Yeah.
They'll lay them up more like this.
I like the looks of that car right there,
Yeah.
even though it's a 64. But
Yeah.
78.
I like the big old cutlasses.
Mm-hmm.
$478 on a blue ticket from TV.
I always like those.
Which one?
Well, that was the RPM transmission car show, Anderson, Indiana. That was the 3rd annual, so I take it they do it every year. It was quite a bit better than I thought, to be honest with you. Real close to home, real easy to get to, not too big to get the father-in-law out and walk around a little bit. Now you stick around just a minute. We'll tell you more about this Cadillac. Good car. And it about drives itself, and I'll show you. Old Lulu here has 65,000 miles on it. When I got her, it had 63, almost on the money. And you can tell by the pedals. All original pedals. They're not all wore out. Original paint on the dash. Original headliner. Seats are original. Why, you can tell why. They weren't that bad at first, but did put carpet in it. It's a good old car. At some point when it was wrecked really hard down through there, someone put a 61 bumper on it. 62 usually has the squared off parking lights, but I like the roundy rounds. I just think they look cooler. And the 62 grill is more finished. The 61 has these little pointy things sticking out of it. Engine and well, I know the engine's original. The transmission, I believe, had been replaced. So all I did was take it all out, reseal everything up, paint it up, and put it back in. Of course, aftermarket radiator. The original ones are super expensive. AC does work, it needs charged. I never did recharge it. You know, Corvette style stuff. I added disc brakes to the front, original brakes in the rear, original rebuilt brakes. But yeah, really cool car. Old Lulu. Safety pays. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. Hope you had a good time, because I sure did. See you on the next one.